It's maintenance week for me, so I'm gonna take you guys along for the week. It's literally just today and tomorrow. I have 2 appointments today, and then I have 1 tomorrow, and then I already did my nails last week. Can you see it? They're little tulips. They're like Easter colors. I'm gonna get my wax done right now because I need to get that done. And then I finally am getting my lips filled. I usually do it every year for my birthday in January, but since I took a trip to LA this year, I didn't do my lips. And then I tried to schedule it in February and she was booked and busy until April. I was like, oh no. I'm also gonna inquire about other things, but I'm not saying it because 1, I don't know the price, so I don't know how much I can afford. And 2, I don't wanna say anything on social media because, or even like you guys, just because I wanna see if anybody can notice a difference. So I'm not gonna say what it is, but let's just see if people notice a difference in my face. And if you do and someone says something, then I'll share. But if you don't notice, then it probably didn't work out for me and I'm not gonna say anything. Velour Medical. I see my girl Cyma, and this is their new office, so I'm really excited because it looks really nice on Instagram. To wait till I got home to show you my lips. They're swollen right now. You can see a bruise already started, but I love them. It's a nice little plump. I usually do 1 ml, which is a full syringe, every year, but since my lips still look good from our last time, we only did 1/4. So that's huge. So we just did a little bit like on the borders here, and then she did it in the middle. It's the next day. I'm just finishing up my street cleaning. So what that is, because I feel like I get questions all the time in New York, when you're parking 2 sides. One side is marked Monday and Thursday, the other side is marked Tuesday and Friday. And the cutoff time is usually 1.5 hours. So you have to sit in your car for 1.5 hours until the truck goes by that cleans the street cleaning. If you're not in your car, you'll get a ticket because the cops, they come back and forth. And even if, let's say, the truck already came and you want to leave, you can't. Because the cop might come. They don't know if the truck went by already. They're not keeping track of that. So you gotta sit in the car for 1.5 hours until it's over. So it's about to be finished and it's raining too, and it's just so annoying because I'm trying to make this. I'm behind on a YouTube video, so I guess we'll just chat for a second. With me coming back to YouTube, I'm trying to make all of my videos intentional. They're supposed to be obviously like a reason behind them, either inspiring, informative. Like, I just don't want to throw out regular ass vlogs, you know, and it just be regular. I could do that sometimes, like here and there, but as far as my videos, I want them to be intentional. There's a reason why I'm posting. This one is supposed to be inspiring because I want to show you guys what I do for self-care and have you guys, give you guys some ideas, and you guys can do the same thing as me. But it's freaking raining and it's pissing me off. I'm trying to go get a pedicure after this, and I need to go walk in the rain because if I don't do it now, I just know I'm not going to be able to do it later, and then I won't even get this video up because I'm trying to get this video up. Right now I'm in so much pain because of yesterday, because of what I did to my face. So my face is in so much pain. These are my lips. They're still swollen, but they look good. I don't know, can anybody tell like what I did besides my face. I love getting pedicures. Like, I wish I could be there for over an hour. I go to this salon. It's called V-Nail in the Lower East Side. I love the salon because I think it's clean. They always have a bunch of staff. You can do walk-ins, but I think they rather just you make an appointment, and that's what I usually do. Today I didn't even make one. I'm just gonna be walking in. I love getting pedicures because I love getting a nice big old coffee and just sitting there while they just work on my feet. And I have the massage chair and it's amazing. I just like watch TikToks or whatever and I love it. I love getting pedicures. I still have my Valentine's pedicure on my toes, so I need it so bad, but the color I have on my feet, it's pink and it's so cute. So usually I do white toes, but I feel like I want to keep either the same color, which I don't even remember what it's called, so I'm gonna have to like see if I can figure it out, or I'm thinking of doing, because it's like a baby pink, but I don't know, I'm thinking of doing like a babier pink. Does that make any sense? Like something that's in between like white and pink. And I'm gonna get myself a coffee. I'm gonna go to, I think it's called Amore Cafe, also on the Lower East Side. They have a French toast iced latte I want to try, but I'm so stuck on their vanilla iced latte with the vanilla cold foam. It is so good, so I want to get that while I get my toes done, sit in the massage chair and just relax. Also my kid-free weekend, so the kids will be going to daddy's today and I am kid-free for the weekend, and I'm just gonna have such a relaxing weekend because it's raining and ugly, so I have no plans today. I'm just rambling. I wasn't supposed to be rambling in this video. There's so many ways to do self-care. It doesn't have to be expensive. Like, I know what I did yesterday was expensive, but that's because like that's such something that I like to do for myself. I've been doing my lips since I was 25 years old, so it's just something I like to do for myself once a year. Maybe somebody might not consider that self-care, but it's just a special treat that I do for me every single year. But there's so many ways to do self-care. Even tonight, when I'm having my kid-free weekend, after I drop off the kids today, I'm going to be in my bed. I'm gonna order food. I'm not gonna cook. I'm gonna order food and catch up on my Netflix shows because I haven't finished Beauty in Black and I need to. What's the other like boyfriend and girlfriend cheating show? Temptation Island. I don't even want to watch that crap. It's gonna piss me off. I'm not even gonna finish it. I've only watched the first episode, so I'm not even gonna finish that, but I do want to finish my Beauty in Black because I've been keeping up with that show. So many self-care stuff that I'm gonna do. This is just like the first one that I came up with because I'm late on a YouTube video. Oh my gosh, I'm rambling. Let's go get these toes done, girl. You guys, there's this new place that opened up. It's called Sunday Morning, and it's just a coffee shop that sells cinnamon rolls. So it's literally just cinnamon rolls and coffee. There's always a line, so I can't get in, but if you ever walk by and smell that air, that cinnamon air, you're gonna want to get a cinnamon roll. So I walked by today because there's no line, it was raining, and I finally picked up the cinnamon rolls. So I got 2 sugar glaze. They're huge, by the way. Can you see? Hold on. They're massive. This is the sugar glaze one. I got one cream cheese. I didn't get a coffee, of course, because I already had gotten this. I'm gonna save this for later, but I want to have one little piece right now. I always like using my little forks and spoons. This heated up later when I'm in bed with no kids watching Netflix. Yeah, that's good. The cream cheese could be a little bit sweeter, but like the whole thing is sweet, but still good. I'm gonna take a bite of this one. I know Amaya's not even gonna eat this, so I don't know why I got her one, but I want to try this one. Ooh. This is better. Did you hear that crunch? Crispy edges. Oh my god. It tastes like a cereal. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm having that one later. That is the most perfect way to end this self-care video. Sorry, the camera's like in a weird angle. Is by getting yourself a sweet treat. Even if you don't have kid-free weekends and you have to wait until the kids are asleep, wait till they fall asleep until you eat your sweet treat. And then you could, you know, lay up with your husband, or if you don't have one of your single mom too, then single moms unite and we eat our snacks when the kids are asleep. It's probably so short, but we'll do a ton of these. I do my self-care all the time. I'm always taking care of myself because I love it. I feel like I have so much more time now to prioritize me and, you know, and take care of me instead of just like identifying as just a mom and wife and catering to kids and husband. Now I just have to focus on my kids, which is what I'm doing, what I've always did, and I get to pour back into myself, and I love that for me. Especially after the, I can't believe it's almost a year, especially after like the 8 months that I've been through. I need it heavily. So thank you so much for hanging out with me for this video. The next video I want to do is things I wish I knew before getting married, so stay tuned for that one. I'll see you guys in the next video.